Hi everybody, welcome to How to Take a Great Vacation. I am David.
Dee.
She is my sister, and we are going to do a cruise life episode where we show you how to do something that you pretty much only find on a cruise and show you how to do it in your own home. And today we are making a Miami Vice.
Cheers. Tell me how to make this.
So tell them what it is actually.
It's actually a drink that is in a cup, and it's a strawberry daiquiri and a pina colada mixed into one drink. It's very delicious.
So we're going to start with, we only have one blender. They use two blenders on the ship. We don't have two blenders. So we're going to make one part and pour that into a little measuring cup and then make the other one. So first is strawberry daiquiri. If you already know how to make a strawberry daiquiri, you can skip over this, but it's only going to take us a second because we're going to go really fast. So what's next?
Ice.
No, what's...
No.
And then what are we doing?
Pina colada.
Okay.
Which takes ice.
Okay, so we actually happen to have this little collector's edition. They used to give these out with specialty drinks. I don't think they still do. This is actually glass. It was so awesome you could actually take these home. They don't really do that anymore. They'd have to charge you a fortune. So basically, what you do is you take a daiquiri and what's this? Pina colada. Hopefully. Oh, this is why you have to be a bartender to do this. Oh shoot!
Oh, it's not coming out. Now we need more daiquiri mix or something. Too much ice.
Oh yeah, she messed it up.
Are we gonna do this again?
Kind of fun,
She messed it up. That's what you have a sister for, apparently.
Okay, let's try this again. So, oh well, this is kind of thick. So maybe we made these a little too thick. Whoops! Damn it! Not bad.
Oh yeah. There's a hazard.
That's a safety hazard. Okay, we added some ice because we didn't think it looked thick enough, but apparently we were wrong on that. So, see if this works.
For the pina colada. Oh, well, we got more daiquiri.
Okay, yeah. That's kind of what it looks like. They're a little cleaner than us when they do it. So you want to do your keto version?
Yes.
So Dee's on keto, so this is the keto version.
This is gonna be the Color Me pina coladas and daiquiris. Okay.
And we should have like a pineapple in there, but I didn't have any pineapples, so we're going to use cherries.
Oh, awesome.
There we go.
Keto. There you go.
That is how you make a Miami Vice, although they're going to be much prettier when you get them on the cruise ship. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yay.
Mmm. Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Yum.
If I have enough of these, I'll forget all about keto.
Yeah, so thanks for watching, and check back. We're going to have more of these cruise, what is that?
How-tos.
Cruise life videos. That's what I was calling it. So yeah, we're going to have more of these cruise life videos for you soon, and we'll show you more stuff that they do on cruise lines. And you can do them at home. See ya!
Bye.